Waste is not useful if we use our creativity. I am making best out of waste in this video using cardboard, vegetable bag and some ropes. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's recycle, reuse and create something amazing. I have taken a cardboard box which we usually get it with the online orders. It is strong enough to make an organizer. I am folding the flap neatly inside and you can also secure it with glue. And now for the extra support for the base, I'll be adding one more piece of cardboard. I have already cut it exactly to the size of the base and this will help make it firm and durable. Next, let's use these cotton bags, the ones we usually get when buying groceries or vegetables. They are eco-friendly, easily available and perfect for this project. I had many of these cotton bags and kept wondering what to do with them. Then I got this idea to reuse them in this project instead of throwing them away. I have opened the bag from one side and joined it with the another bag to get the required measurements. This way I can cover the entire cardboard. And now to stick this to the cardboard, I'll use PVA glue. You can use any other glue which is available with you. So by sticking this fabric on this cardboard, a cardboard organizer is going to be very strong and durable. Let's cover the cardboard from all the sides with this fabric. Now let's fix this extra fabric inside the box. I'll glue it neatly from inside on all the sides to keep it secure and clean. And to make this organizer, of course, you can use any other leftover fabric you have on hand. Okay, once we are done with this step, we will move to the next one. So we will also cover the extra cardboard piece that we have already cut and kept aside using the same fabric. Now let's fix this inside the box. Because the size of this cardboard piece is so accurate, it fits perfectly inside without any glue. However, to make it more steady and for the extra strength, you can also apply glue from inside. Now our organizer is ready. You can use it as it is, but I would like to add few more details. I am using cotton and jute rope here to add some decorative detailing. And to stick them, I will use the same PVA glue. These two kind of ropes are from my previous DIY. Actually, I used these ropes to making an organizer and it was long back and the organizer got spoiled, so I am using the same rope for this DIY. If you use this PVA glue, it will take time to stick these ropes. As you all know, the consistency of PVA glue is little runny. Instead, you can use any other thick, fast drying glue that sticks quickly. Feel free to follow any pattern you prefer while covering the cardboard box with these ropes. After wrapping the cardboard with the white rope for about 10 rounds, I'll now use the jute rope to cover the cardboard box. I have braided the jute rope by taking 3 strands and plaiting them together. Instead, you can also use ready-made jute ropes with the different patterns that are available online. And these ones, for this project, I have sourced all the ropes from a hardware shop. In the same way and following the same pattern, I'll continue covering the cardboard box with this braided jute rope. I am following very simple pattern. You can follow any pattern according to your choice. Once the jute rope layer is complete, I'll continue by covering it with the white rope again. Once you are done covering the cardboard, cut the rope. The organizer is nearly finished. Only a final step remains and I'll cover the back portion of the cardboard with an additional cotton bag fabric. Take the edge of the fabric and fold it over once or twice so the raw edges don't show. Try to make the fold even all around. You can lightly press the fold with your finger or a flat tool so it stays in place. Apply glue along the cardboard edge. Carefully press the folded edge of the fabric onto the glued edge. Smooth it down so there is no any bumps or wrinkles. Let it set for few minutes so it sticks firmly. I tried to cover it neatly and secured all the edges and made sure the corners and the back looks tidy. And that's it. Our DIY organizer is now ready, made entirely from simple waste materials. Not only is it super easy and budget friendly, but it also helps you keep your space neat and organized. I am using under my table to organize my Wi-Fi cables. But you can use it for stationeries, chargers or anything else you want to keep tidy. Remember, with a little creativity, you can turn things that might go to waste into something useful and beautiful. I hope you will try this DIY at your home. If you like this video, please do subscribe. See you in the next video.